Hello everyone, this is gs300-single turbo 2GZ GE. It's right there. Recently was installed a fresh motor from another Lexus. Never been turboed. This motor has never been turboed, and I would like to install single turbo, which is right there. I have a blanket. I have a turbo. It's a T3 flange, and it'll go on the side, on the left side. Not quite sure how much power I have expected from this car, but would like to tune this for on a flex feel, and we'll see how much it will make it out. So right now it's a working project, and turbo will be right there. So engine looks pretty clean inside, and it's been taken care of. Timing belt, everything is in a good shape. So I would like to install 850 cc's injectors, and then make a score computer, but all this stuff will be